I help with installs, so I can
Who you been working for? How long you been doing installs?
Bailey Air, some dude on my street.
Ready, Joe?
Yep.
Goes. We go in. I'm gonna go pump this down. About to drop in this X series.
Yes, sir.
Say good night to the Goodman. Oh yeah. All right, got my winch up here. We're gonna suck this furnace up in here and get the old one out. Okay.
Let me go up there and give it a little slack. Good.
Let me know when you can't hold it no more. Then that's it. Took a couple more minutes, but a lot less strain on our backs. Don't have to take out no blower motor, none of that crap. Okay. Disconnect. All right. Looking good, Joe. Looks good. You gonna do the copper? Do you know how to put all the copper in place and everything?
Kinda.
If not, let me know. I'll come up here and knock it out, okay?
Clean it up.
All right.
It's all the way over here, so I don't know if you're gonna wanna.
Is that trap already tightened and everything?
Yeah.
Can you straighten it out a little bit or no?
You want it straight up and down?
Yes, please.
Okay.
All right, buddy.
All right.
So yeah, just make sure blue's common, okay? Just take the yellow off. That way they still have air circulating in the house if they need it, and it kills the condenser.
Take the red out.
Yellow, not that one. That one coming from the condenser. The yellow coming from the condenser. Yeah, go ahead, loosen it up. All right, now this is there. Make sure we get enough room here for that.
You have another hat up here too.
I left a hat up here?
Yeah.
That's yours.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. Jeez. All right. Pull that through there. Okay, so look. Take this, connect it to yellow, right? And then this goes to yellow on the board.
Okay.
All right.
So hook this one into the board, and this one here.
Correct.
Beautiful.
Strip it back some. You got Wagos? Or you got wire nuts? What are you using?
They're up here.
Okay.
These ones?
Yeah, you can. I hate using those, but
You want me to use some of the ones I have, the yellow ones in?
I have Wagos, just the snap ones.
Oh.
But you can use that. That's fine. Go ahead. Just make sure you got a good connection, okay?
All right.
All right. See how old Melina did. Okay. float switch in, brother. This isn't good. We gotta seal this up, brother. Look at my squeegee, Pookie. Seal this up. Squeegee that down, man. You gotta squeegee this stuff. Okay. One thing I gotta take care of. That's that frame of the shower. Our trap. Had to go to angle with this pan to support this. Really didn't even have to put that under there because we strapped it up. But yeah. All right, let's see what we got going on here. All right, wires coming outside. That's all right, Joe. You did a good job, man. You did a good job. This guy's never been to school. He's only been doing this stuff, I don't know, like a year and a half, 2 years. Dedicated, man. Let's fire this furnace up. Okay, so originally the air conditioner was over there. I ran the line set under the concrete, which I hate, and then it comes up over here. So I guarantee you these wires don't match that. So I've got to open this up. Let's see, man, see where they spliced this. So yeah, I just got to connect these together here. We go red to red. Yeah, I should have did this from the beginning, man. I wasn't thinking, but anyway, easy fix. So now I have all my wires here. Make sure this thing fires up, and then I get that online. I'll come back and button this all up. All right. Bring that suction pressure up a little bit. Ooh. Okay, let's let that run, settle in. All right, real quick. Who's this? Whatever. Okay, real quick. So when these units come from the manufacturer, they're 5 ton. So you can shift it from a 4 ton to a 5 ton. And the way you do that, I don't know if you can see it, but you got these 4 dip switches right here, right? So when it comes from the manufacturer, dip switch number 1 is in the on position, and that puts you into 5 ton mode. This is a 4 ton, so I take the dip switch, put it in the off position, so all the dip switches are off. So now it drops it down to a 4 ton. You got to make sure power is not energized to the unit when you shift the switches. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Make sure you read the manual. I always read the manual anyway because stuff is always changing. So this isn't for educational, it's just for information and entertainment. Make sure you read the manual to place these dip switches in the right spot. Fire up a system and it's set up for 4 tons and you got this in 5 ton mode, it might not operate right. So, but yeah, that's why I really like these units. They're quiet, efficient, and you can shift them from 4 ton to 5 ton. Depending on whatever application you're using. So yeah, if you like these videos, man, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm gonna get this buttoned up. We've got a couple more calls today. A more quiet. Like lawn chairs. I changed out your disconnect for you, and yeah, you should be.
So
should be great.
If I open that.
That's just the power to kill it for maintenance.
Okay, so nothing to do with that stuff.
Nope.
Okay.
This is a surge protector to protect against power outages. So you don't, because you have a DC inverter in there, control board. So
what was there? Nothing.
That was baby monitor for electricity. I just took it off.
Baby monitor?
Well, SCE. Some people have it hooked up. They can turn off your air conditioner during peak hours. Oh. So I disconnected that so they can't do that to you.
No, thank you, because they actually go do like the whole new water heater again.
Yep.
Completely.
Yep.
Oh, so that's. Now,
because this is where the AC used to be, right here.
I remember you said that.
And they ran it underneath the concrete, and the wire comes up here. So I had to cut that open to get the proper connections over to here. And that's when I spliced it and taped this around here. Whew. There you have it. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. On to the next one. Thanks for watching.